Good morning, sir.
Very good morning to you all, children. Most welcome in this English class. Children, today we have to learn the last part of future tense, that is known as future perfect continuous tense. You all are ready to learn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then come to the point. The future perfect continuous tense, its structure is subject plus shall oblique will plus have been plus V4, that is fourth form of the verb, plus for oblique since plus object. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
In its Hindi identities, Hindi sentences ending with रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहा हूँगा, रही होंगी, रहे होंगे, या ता रहा होगा, ते रहे होंगे, ती रही होंगी, etc. We can clear this very idea with the help of three sort of examples, that is examples of positive sentences, examples of negative sentences, and examples of interrogative sentences. Okay, you just follow it step by step. Examples of positive sentences are: the players will have been playing for 2 hours. In Hindi it means खिलाड़ी 2 घंटे से खेल रहे होंगे. Example second, Anubhav will have been writing a letter since 2 o'clock. Example third, I shall have been waiting for you since 3 o'clock. For your sake of simplicity, I have mentioned it in Hindi translation also. Must watch it. The players will have been playing for 2 hours means खिलाड़ी 2 घंटे से खेल रहे होंगे. Anubhav will have been writing a letter since 2 o'clock means in Hindi Anubhav 2 बजे से पत्र लिख रहा होगा. And I shall have been waiting for you since 3 o'clock means मैं 3 बजे से तुम्हारी प्रतीक्षा करता रहूंगा. In this way, the Hindi words ending with this given रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहा हूँगा, रही होंगी, etc. becomes clear, and we can tally this translation with the help of this structure. That is, subject refers to the players will have been, has been selected from this given structure, and playing refers to V4, that is fourth form of verb, and for has been selected from this structure, and then object. This is example of affirmative or positive sentences of this future perfect continuous tense. The same examples have been changed in the case of negative and interrogative form. Must watch it. The players will not have been playing for 2 hours. Examples again. Anubhav will not have been writing a letter since 2 o'clock. Structure, subject plus will not have been oblique shall not have been plus fourth form of verb plus for plus since plus object. In case of interrogative sentences, we watch. Will the players have been playing for 2 hours? Shall I have been waiting for you since 3 o'clock? Will Anubhav have been waiting a letter since 2 o'clock? Structure will be will oblique shall plus subject plus have been plus V4 plus for oblique since plus object. So you can tally all these translation with this very structure and can translate the next coming translation exactly. So your homework will be, must note it down in your diary and get it checked. Thereafter, new Hindi translation will be given to you all. This is sufficient for today. Thank you very much. See you in next class.